5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to another show. Welcome to another live stream. Welcome to the Crypto Factor. And yeah, man, I'm so happy to be here. I'm happy to be here with you guys. And yes, my name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about cryptopreneurship. This is for the cryptopreneur, the aspiring cryptopreneur. We answer your questions live in AMAs every single week on Sunday, 7 o'clock EEST time. We answer your questions live here on the channel. We do 60-second videos every day answering your questions, not wasting your time. We get straight to the point. We do interviews with some of the most successful people and pioneers in crypto so you can emulate their success. And I am stuttering today. I am stuttering a little bit, but hey, it is what it is now. There's some bad news and there's some good news, or some good news and there's some bad news. What do you guys want first, the good news or the bad news? By the way, do me a favor, subscribe down below, hit the bell notification button so you can check out the next videos, you can check out the channel. If you don't like it, you can always unsubscribe. And for those of you that are subscribed here, that are my subscribers, or anyone else, if you want to hit that like button, would really appreciate it. Do you want the good news or the bad news? Tell me. The good news or the bad news? The bad news, okay. The bad news is Gareth Soloway, an expert on Bitcoin trading, had to cancel. He cannot make it on the show today. Originally, I would have brought him on, but he's not going to make it. We're going to have to move it tomorrow or Friday. We were going to do a deep dive in Bitcoin analysis, technical analysis, and so on. That's going to have to be moved. Try to get him on, couldn't do that. The good news, I came on anyway. To be here with you, to answer your questions, to do what I can so we can talk. And I see people here. I see so many people. I see my subscribers. I see members. I see the Factor fam here in the house. And I'm going to get straight to your questions. So let's have a look what's going on right now. What's going on? Navid Rahman says, guys, what do we all think? Do you think this is a dead cat bounce? Great question. Let me explain. And I addressed this for a while now. I've been telling you for a while. Let's forget the news. Forget the news. Forget the Fed for a second. Forget Elon Musk in 30 minutes. Forget all about this. All right? Let's just go by charts. Okay? And let's go a little bit about the predictions on this channel, because for months now, I've been telling you to take profits, and I've been telling you if we break certain thresholds, we're gonna go down. And I even said we're gonna go down, if we break 41K, 40K psychological, we're gonna go down to the low 30s. And I made posts and videos urging people to, first of all, get out of leveraged positions, and second of all, to place buy orders at 32, 33, and 35K. Now, for those of you who did, congratulations. Those of you that didn't, it's okay, don't worry. We live and learn. There's always next time. So what's going on now? What's going on? Okay. We need to break 41K. We need to break that. We need to go up and break that, close above it for a bear market to be voided. Voided means canceled. Because technically, ever since we broke 41K, 40K psychological, we are technically in a bear market for many reasons, okay? And if we're having good news and Bitcoin's not rallying, if there are failed rallies and Bitcoin doesn't make it and so on, we're gonna go down and retest the low 30s. And this time, if they do not hold, and we break that, we're going down to the low 20 to 24,000K level. Now, that said, and this will go straight into my thesis that a bear market would have started in 2022, beginning 2022 actually, I was very specific about it, and we are beginning 2022, or it will be such a massive dump that it will look like a bear market. So if we do not get past, if we do not get above 40K, again, if we do not get above 40K, right, then we're looking, we're going to be in a bear market. If we do get by 40K, that means this was the massive dump I was talking about that will look like a bear market, and we have a chance to resume and keep going up, and then if we break the 52K level, bull market is still on. Now, I know a lot of people, you're just saying it's going to go up and down. No, I'm not. I'm giving specific numbers, specific thresholds, and I'm telling you to follow. And that's how we've been profiting on this channel for a while. I have no paid groups on this channel, by the way. I do not charge anyone for information. You cannot pay me. You just can't, right, for anything. I'm not selling you anything. I don't even show my own books, which I've written, up on my wall. I don't even talk about them. And I do. And if I wanted to, I would. My subscribers here, you guys know, right? I could be shilling my books all the time. I could be saying, look, this is the crypto marketing playbook, but it's for companies, it's not for most people. This is the crypto factor that interviews some of the most successful people and pioneers in the world, like Andreas Antonopoulos, John McAfee, Roger Ver, and so on. So you can emulate their success, but I'm not. Okay, I am now. I just did. And I have multiple other books, but I don't do that. I have my own project, my crypto project. I don't do that. Everything you get on this channel is for free. Why am I saying all this? Because I'm such a nice guy? No. I'm saying this because a lot of people on WhatsApp are just telling you, messaging you to join groups and stuff like that. I do not have any groups. I do not message people on WhatsApp. I do not have a Telegram group. And if I do, it's just there so that people don't steal the name, right? So please understand that. And also, I just don't do that. I don't profit from you guys. So anyway, that is I hope that answered your question. I went on a little bit of I digressed a little bit, Navid, but that is your answer. So yes, it could be a dead cat bounce, but we'll know if that's a dead cat bounce. Let me just open the Bitcoin chart real quick, because I don't even know what's going on right now. We'll know if it's a dead cat bounce if by the end of the week we don't break 41K. Of course, if we hold a little bit higher, then maybe we'll break it the week after. We'll see. We'll see. All right? But yeah, right now, we don't know what's going on, right? What I suspect is going on right here at the 39K level, what people did, and forget the Fed meeting a second, right? Bears know that we need to get above 40K psychological, 41K, and close above it so we can have a chance. So this bear market will be void and we can continue the bull market, right? Or have a chance to. So what they did was, they knew we're going to go back up and revisit those highs, more than likely, and placed sell orders at the 39K level. That's what I think happened. So now we went up on the Fed news that we're not hitting, they're not raising interest rates, right? Just yet, anyway, because they're going to do it in March. But there was a lot of sell orders at that level, right? So it went back down. Now, if we hold it, we might give another chance at it, and we might break that, and that would be pretty cool. If we break 40K, as I said, bear market could be voided, and we can keep on going up. And please understand that technical analysis is all about probabilities. It's not 100%, right? It's just probabilities, and you have to understand that. So let's see if we have any more questions here now. Naim Nader, I shorted Bitcoin at 30. Oh, okay. So Naim Nader shorted Bitcoin at 38.5. Do you think we will drop a lot by Friday? No, I don't think so, but I also don't know. This is a very volatile moment right now, and people are taking advantage. People are taking advantage. It's just hitting. Let's put it this way: it's hitting stop losses and leverage positions up and down right now. Different exchanges are profiting. It's a no trade zone, in my opinion. It's a no trade zone until we see what's going on. Right? Until we stabilize a little bit and see where the direction is heading. Now, we could get into it in another video, but right now, I wouldn't have took that position. I really wouldn't have, because we can go back up any second or any minute or any day, right? I personally think we're gonna have another crack at 39K, and we might even break it. We might not. I don't know. What I did know was what I was telling you all these last few months, right? Which played out. What I did know is whenever I go a little bit longer time frames. Whatever I know, I tell you guys. So subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification button, and watch my daily videos so you can have an idea of where we're going with this. David Corbett says, I believe the markets are going to go up. I hope so, man. We may have a small bounce here, but we'll soon bounce right up. I think we're going to go back to the 40K level, retest that. Yeah, definitely. I think we're going to at least to the 39, yeah? If it goes past the 40K, We're going to keep on going up, in my opinion. So let's see what's going on. How come no crypto live said it starts at 3 o'clock? I didn't hear. Yeah, we were supposed to come live at 3 o'clock with Gareth Soloway to talk about a deep dive analysis with Bitcoin and the markets. He's actually a professional. He can do a deeper dive than I can do, and actually give different perspective, but also different sort of details, if you will. Give more details. He couldn't make it. Was trying to get him on. He couldn't make it. Then I had a little problem with the PC because I had to restart the PC and everything, and that's why we were late. But it happens. I'm sorry. Marcel When Moon. I ain't scared of any bear. I ain't scared of no bear. Who? Okay, great looking forward, says Marcel. David Ibrahimi. Hey, Paul. Hey, what's up, David? I see you became a member. Congratulations. Welcome to the Factor fam. Dump. Question mark bad. Oh, okay. You were answering questions from earlier on. Okay. Elon speaking about Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Let's see what he's going to say. Let's see what he's going to say. Would he definitely can I don't know if it can move a market in Bitcoin anymore, but it can definitely move people. So people that listen to Elon Musk, that think he's going to move the market, are either going to get wrecked or going to get rich. So be careful. When Elon Musk speaks, I don't know what time he speaks, it's just half an hour here, that would be also a no trade zone, in my opinion. You don't do the Elon indicator, right? Jim Superman in the building. What's up, man? How are you? Flying like that. Aaron Robles, bueno. What's up, Crypto Factor? What's up, Supreme Profits? Hope you're making supreme profits. Hope you will always make supreme profits. Hex, please, Hex. Come on, Hex is Hex. Hex is its own thing. It's a money-making machine. We called the dump on Hex. Even though I'm staking Hex, even though I like Richard Hart, we called the dump when it went down. And it doesn't mean you're not going to make money from it. I'm just saying everything goes down. Everything goes up and down. We called it. People don't like that, but we did. I was saying to take profits. This is not going to go up forever. People got really mad at me. Hexicans, man. Why are you hating, man? Why are you hating? I like Hex. I talk about Hex. I think Hex is a money-making machine. I think Richard Hart is great. Doesn't mean it will go up forever. It's going to have its tops. Went down 50% since almost 50% since I called it. Anyway. Dump or not? We don't know. We'll see, Big D. Is it a good idea to DCA out partly on reversal to 40K? Marcel, I don't know. I don't know your position. Don't know your risk factors. Don't know how much you got in. Don't know if your stop losses. I don't know anything. I'm not sure how to answer that. It all depends. I can't answer. Floris A. Hello, Paul. Hey, what's up, Floris? It's the death rattle. Mashur Aliwani. Have you seen Drip Network? Seems like a good... No, I haven't seen anything with no Ponzi-nomics. What a great name. Ponzi-nomics. I'm going to keep reading this just because of the word Ponzi-nomics. Have you seen Drip Network? Seems like good Ponzi-nomics with great marketing and greater fanfare. Do give it a look and your thoughts on it and surrounding it. Because I'm not going to look at it. But I love the word, because I'm going to look at it because I don't think it's time to be looking at these currencies right now. We should be going top 20, top gaming companies and so on. But, Ponzi-nomics is a great name. I actually own hodlnomics.com, by the way. I own hodlnomics.com, and I haven't done anything with it just yet, but I will. But Ponzi-nomics, what a great name. Is that domain name taken? Let's have a look. Sorry, give me a second. Ponzi. Sorry if any porn shows up. Ponzi-nomics. Wait, I did it wrong. Ponzi-nomics.com. It's parked free. GoDaddy. Okay, so, oh well. I was going to buy that. That would have been cool. It would have been a nice... it would have been like a nice little gimmick sort of fight back at Holdonomics sort of thing. It was marketing reasons. But anyway, it doesn't really matter. If there is a bounce to 41K and higher, what do you think Alt will... I think they're going to go... I think they're going to go crazy. They're going to go nuts. They're going to go massive. Look, if we have a bounce to 41K and actually hold above 41K for like a few days, week, something, right? Depending on which time frames you're looking at. I think it would be safe to say a day or two holding above it would be safe to say... It depends if it's at the end of the week or the beginning of the week. We'll see. But if we hold above 41K, which I think we will, if we reach there, I think we will, at least if we hold there after a day, then everything's probably going to go up, right? Everything's going to go up. So let's see what happens. Bitcoin will probably retest 52K after that, or at least give it a try. Of course, there's going to be some resistance at the 45, 46 level, but I don't think it's going to hold that much. I mean, there's going to be too much bullish momentum. Plus, if we get back up there again, it means we do have momentum. Well, we'll see. Are we seeing 28K in February? If we can't break 40K, it's very, very, very possible, Igor. Pulse chain is the future. In the future, we'll see if Pulse chain is the future. So far, it's in the testing phase. I'm really, I'm curious to see what's going to happen. Can't say it's the future or not, but I'm curious what's going to happen, right? I mean, I actually sacrificed for it as well. I see a super chat somewhere, but it's not showing up. Oh, there it is. Mashur Anwani. Thank you so much. Really appreciate you, man. No question or anything. Just the rose. So cool, man. Thank you. Really appreciate it. One Revolution. We appreciate you, Paul. I appreciate you. Thank you. I love these. I think I'm going to do more live streams during the week. And I think what we're going to do... every Sunday, I think I'm going to bring Derek online. And I bring Derek so we can give away United Coin like we do. We give away about 1,000 United Coins. It's worth about $800 right now. I think we're going to continue bringing Derek on Sundays, at least those Sundays that he can make it, most Sundays. And I'm going to try and do more live streams during the week. I know you guys like that, right? Click 1 if you want more live streams from me. Click 2 if no, once a week is enough. Because we used to do more live streams. We used to do straight from the Doge Park with my dog. We used to do live. And I miss doing more live streams. I got really busy, to be honest. I went through a lot as well with health and my dad. And I kind of like stopped those live streams. But we'll be able to... get it done. Give me a second. Let me just answer a message here. This is live, I know, but this is kind of important. It's for work. Talking about work. So let me just answer this. No, sure, no problem. I can send that. All right, so. Hello, Paul from Pennsylvania. G-Rock, what's up, my man? Gas is pale. Don't know what that is. Rates didn't change. I don't know what pay L is, but anyway. Long live Paul. Thank you, Praveen. Long live Paul. Long live you. Long live everyone. Paul Sex, sacrifice phase still open. Cool. Vitaly, what's up, my man? So far, nobody's spitting in your faces. It's okay. True. Solana double top. You think? If Bitcoin breaks 40K, Solana's going to go crazy. Liquid loan sacrifice coming soon. Cool. Paul, Success IAO, great book. Thank you, G-Rock. Very much appreciated. Success IAO, Improvise, Adapt, and Overcome. My first book I ever wrote. I wrote while I was fighting cancer. The first time I was fighting cancer, 2016 to 2017. That's when I wrote that book. I can get into the story of it. I don't know if people care. So, but I wrote that book, and to make a long story short, it's a good book. It's a good book. I think so. Supreme Prophet. So, do you think the FOMO meeting went well? I don't care about news. Show me the charts. I'll tell you the news. Right? I think if you want to go by news, this is why I wanted Gareth on here. But if you want to go by Fed news and stuff like that, I guess that would be, I think that would be pretty bullish in the sense that, okay, It's not bearish. It's not bullish. There's these Russian guys, these Russian YouTubers. I don't remember their name, but it's pretty fun. They're pretty funny. I think they review different foods and bad hotels and the worst hotels in Ukraine and the worst hotels in Russia. One's name is Vlad. Vlad is one name, but they have this saying I really love. It's not, and they do the Russians. They in the Russian accent they go, not great, not terrible. So I realize it's not great, not terrible. I think that it could potentially buy Bitcoin time, as in it wouldn't knock it down to the oblivion. So maybe that, and we'll see. We gotta see. 2020 drone, the crypto bear. Not sure what that means. Pulse chain testnet version 2 up and running. Yep, we know that. What is your opinion about Filecoin? I think Filecoin is before its time. I think that it's a great project. It's a good project. Back when everyone was raging on about it and everything, it was going up like crazy. I said, I think it's before its time. I think maybe the next bull run or in the future, it's going to do a lot better than what we think. But right now, I think other projects are going to outperform it. Cardano ADA going to the moon, low gas fees. Cool, awesome. Please comment on Ethereum. What do you want me to say on Ethereum? I love Ethereum. I think Ethereum is going to do great. I think everyone's looking everywhere else and they're missing Ethereum. Ethereum 2.0, I think, is going to do a lot. And I think Ethereum in general is going to do very well for NFTs and so on, right? NFTs go up, Ethereum is used. And you know, right now, don't forget it's deflationary. It's being burnt when you use it. So I think Ethereum is going to do very well. It's my second most bullish, maybe even largest position in my portfolio after Bitcoin. Hi, Paul. What do you think about Solana? Everyone's talking about negative Solana. Let them talk negative about Solana. Solana is going to be making mistakes and patching them up until they become a monster of it. I think Solana is going to do very well. Sure, they got to fix a lot of things, but doesn't anyone? They need to patch that up. It's got big investors. I don't get bearish when everyone else gets bearish. And when people talk crap about a project, depending on the project, of course, and why they're talking crap about it, I don't let that sway my opinion. I think Solana's going to do great. What day would you choose to buy Bitcoin? One day. I don't know. What do you mean? It depends. Well, it depends. Well, do you buy the dips? Do you DCA? Do you dollar cost average? Do you day trade? Do you swing trade? How long is your time frame? I mean, if generally speaking, any time's a good day to buy a Bitcoin, right? But if you wanna like make a shorter term or midterm trade out of it, then you can't really say that. I would say when everything's going really crappy. The best time to buy it is in a bear market. Let's confirm a bear market. It's going to be sooner or later. If it's not this year, it's going to be in a few years. You can buy it then. So I guess the answer to your question is yesterday. Please tell me about Solana. I'm not going to say anything more about Solana. I think Solana's going to do great. Everyone's looking at Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin does good, every other project's going to do good. Almost, right? If Bitcoin does, every other major good project with fundamentals will do good. If Bitcoin does bad, everything's going to do real bad, okay? So that's what's going to happen right now. Bro, if I DCA into VeChain for the next 2-3 years, would you consider it a good move? I think if you DCA into VeChain for the next few years, I think that would be an okay move. I wouldn't say it's anything wrong with it. When people were telling me about VeChain a year ago, I was saying it's before its time. But if you're saying right now, for the next few years, and you believe in it, I think it will do good. I think it will do good. Just make sure you DCA on the monthly and not like sooner, because we'll see how things go. I think VeChain will do well. Just make sure you diversify. Ali Sharif. Hi, Paul. Will it be a good time to DCA into altcoins or wait till we break the 41K? Keep hearing the altcoins get wrecked to 88. Yes, altcoins can get wrecked more than 80-90% in the bear market. So it really depends. If you would have watched my strategy a few days ago, Ali, on when to buy altcoins, if you look at my community post on my channel, for risky players, they bought altcoins when we were in the low 30s, right? Just like I did. But my suggestion was to wait, and it is still to wait. Let's watch Bitcoin. Unless you're already into altcoins, there's no point in getting into them. Unless you are really sure with your technical analysis that Bitcoin is going to go up, then you can buy some altcoins. Why is HEX much better than BTC? It's not. I like Richard Hart. I think HEX is a money-making machine. It's not better than BTC. It's just not. For many reasons. And I can explain if you want. And before all the Hexicans go crazy right here, hey, 5555 club here. Okay? So I stake HEX. I'm staking HEX for a year. I'm staking HEX for 5 years. And I'm staking HEX for 5555. Okay? But it's not better than Bitcoin. And let me tell you why. Okay, a few reasons. Number one, Bitcoin, proof of concept, 13 years running. Okay? Number two, the only truly decentralized cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Proof of work. Okay? That's number two. Number three, if I were to sell my house, if you were to sell your house, right? Would you sell your house in HEX? Would you sell your house in whatever currency, or would you sell it in Bitcoin? Provided that you can only hold and use Bitcoin for the next 5 years. And if you say HEX because you die hard crazy about HEX, becoming millionaire, becoming rich, I think that's stupid, and I'll tell you why. That is stupid because Bitcoin is a spendable store of value. What do I mean by spendable store of value? You can buy shit and trade and sell shit in Bitcoin. If I can sell my house in Bitcoin, people will accept Bitcoin. If someone's selling their house and you want to trade your house, you're much more likely to find someone selling their house in Bitcoin than what they are in HEX, right? So HEX is not there yet. If it gets there, we'll see in the future, right? But Bitcoin is king. Bitcoin is king. So, and that's why Bitcoin controls the markets, with the cryptocurrency markets right now. So Bitcoin is a spendable store of value. And Bitcoin is where everyone's getting into, stock markets, that's the only one. It's the only one we can go on and on about this. Do you think that the whales let us retailers buy Bitcoin at 20K after the profits of 2020? What? Do you think that the whales let us retailers buy Bitcoin at 20K after this profits in 2021? I'm not understanding the question here. I don't know why I'm not understanding the question, but I'm not understanding the question. Why let us buy? We can. No one can stop you buying Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin right now. You can buy Bitcoin at 20K. You can buy it whenever you want. The whales can't stop you. So I don't understand the question. Harry ML says, I just joined. Welcome, man. Welcome, Harry ML. Welcome. Market prediction for this Friday. I have no market prediction for this Friday. I'm looking at levels. I look at ranges and levels. I don't look at days. Love your channel, Paul. Love you too, Harry. Free Horizon is like shelling the pulse chain. We understand where it is, man. We get it, dude. We get it. Bobby Crypto. Hey, what's up? Hola, it's Bobby. I'm sharing a stream. Keep up the fantastic work. You are entitled. Thank you very much. Really appreciate you. And I can't wait to come to your channel and do a show with you. We'll do it next week, as we said. I'm waiting for you to reach out. Market predictions for this. Oh, we already read that. At what Bitcoin prices would you recommend taking profit? Okay. So we saw people taking profit at the 39K level. I even said that people are going to be taking profit at 39, just under 40K level. And we're going to see that resistance to see if we can get above 40K, right? I think we're going to revisit that. If we break 40K, 41K, and we close above it, we should be able to rally pretty easily. Okay, it's not promised, by the way, but pretty easily to the 45, 46K level. And if we break that, we're going to have another attempt at the 52K level, in my opinion. So based on that, and if we do not rally to go back to 39K and retest to try and go 40K, if we fail that, we are in a confirmed bear market. So I don't know. There's very little support at 35, 36K right now. Most of the support is down to the lower 30Ks. If we break that down, we're going to go even lower. So you should have took profit when I told you, man. To be quite honest, people should have took profits when I told them. I didn't get the exact top like Richard Hart did. I got the first top at 64K. I called it the first top at 64K, but I got back in, right? And then I told people as soon as we broke under, what was it? 52K, 51K, I can't really remember now. Maybe subscribers can tell me. I told you to take profits and get out, and then I kept on telling you to get out at different levels. David Ibrahimi, I find it exciting to see how quickly the mood on the market changes to bearish. As soon as a big red candle comes, everyone is bearish. Next day is a green or bullish. No, David, that's not how it is. I've been bearish ever since we broke 40K psychological down to the low 30s. And the reason I was bearish there is because we were in a technical bear market. We just are. Right? We're in a technical bear market. If you don't know why, if you just watch my previous video on how I explain it, right? Now, I also said if we break under 40K, we don't recover fast and go above 40K, then it's definitely a bear market. So it's not about candles, right? It's about ranges. It's about supports and resistances, prior swing highs. There's a whole bunch of things. It's not just candles. Have I heard of Glimmercoin? No, I have not. Drip is sketchy in my opinion. I don't know what Drip is. So it probably is. Sell your V. Okay. What's your forecast for United Coin? I think United Coin is a long way to go. I know the Stellar upgrade's coming soon. United Coin is built on Stellar. It's a slow growth in my opinion on United Coin. I think they're amazing tech, amazing people. Good team. I think they have a long way to. We have a long way to go. I'm an advisor for them, by the way. We have a long way to go, but I think it's going to take time because we're building. It's not one of those straight to the moon coins. It's just not. But it's something good to look into, and it does have good technology. It just needs time to be built. The truth is they were very unlucky in the beginning. Some things happened. No hacks or anything like that, but internal problems. But it's all sorted now, so let's see how it works. I do know that they have massive, huge advisors behind the project. This is no doubt. Derek's a very smart guy. He's a very connected man. So I believe in it. And the reason I am being a bit, how can I put this? Non-moon boyish is because I'm an advisor for the project. I can't over push it. It would just be bad practice, if that makes sense. That's why you don't see me pushing my projects too much either. I like to keep a little bit of a low-key level, if you will. Because I'm biased, and knowing I am biased, I have to be careful for when I suggest things to people. Does that make sense? I think it does. Yes, more lives, please. Everyone's saying give me more lives. Okay, awesome. So more so we'll do more live streams. There you go. This is the first one today. Paul, you look really shiny today. Keep up the good work, man. You are a gem. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it, man. I am shining. I just took a shower. Everyone's telling me they want more lives. Awesome. Have I sacrificed for PulseX? Yes, I have. If I gave you 1 million in cash now, what would you do? I would open up. Okay, so I have a couple of the business ventures I want to do that I want to do. One of them I'll tell you about. I want to do the Crypto Factor Summit, like a conference, but make it really cool. And I have plans out for that and everything like that. I can get sponsors very easily. I think it would be amazing doing something like that, which is going to be with crypto, gaming, and so on. So imagine like a summit or a conference that's going on. But a bit differently. I have like a plan for that. That would be one thing. The second thing, I have a couple of business ideas that I would definitely want to invest in that will also help people, but would also do very well. So if you want to give me $1 million, please reach out to me, paul@cryptofactor.net. I'll give you a marketing plan, business plan, and everything. David Ibrahimi, I find it exciting to see how... Okay, already read that. Love the show, bro. Keep up the good work. I'm following hard. Thank you very much. What's your forecast for Dogecoin during this bull market? I was telling you guys to get Dogecoin last year. This year, I don't know what Dogecoin is going to do. It's a fun meme coin that can do a lot or can do nothing, right? I have no more projections for Dogecoin. But we'll see. I think it's a fun thing. I'll put it this way. When I start collecting Dogecoin again, when I start saying donate Dogecoin for my dog, it means I think it's going to go up. Just kidding. I'm not going to do that again. But Dogecoin is just fun. It's just fun to have. I would buy it when we're very bare and the price is very low, just for fun. What's the difference between a token and a unit? Not much different. Some people compare. Compare say units instead of tokens to my to what I, as far as I understand it anyway. I haven't really heard too many people calling them units. You're for the best. You're the best. Thank you very much. BNB Smart Hodl. Yeah, BNB is a pretty smart hodl, I'd say. I was wearing a Safe Moon t-shirt walking down the street and a homeless man gave me $1. Oh, man. Make out Hill Paul. What's your favorite crypto YouTube channel? Ooh, what a great question. What a great question, man. Whoa, nice one. Okay, I like that. I appreciate that. Well, BitBoy Crypto is one of them, since I'm always on there on blockchain, around the blockchain. So I'm a guest. I'm a frequent guest on BitBoy Crypto's channel, so it's one of my favorite ones. Plus, I like BitBoy. I think he's a cool guy. The other one is DataDash. I really enjoy DataDash, Nicholas Merkin. Okay, Andreas Antonopoulos is the #1 place to learn anything you want in crypto. I watch Tone Vase as well. I do watch Alessio Rastani. I actually learned a lot from both of these people I mentioned. Who else do I watch? And then I just try and look for new small crypto channels I can have fun. There's one by Marcin Mikas. I think now he's called himself Don Kryptonium or some shit like that. I think the guy is insane. I think is a very small channel. I think is entertaining. You should check it out. You should check out his channel. I think it's pretty cool. And then I just look for different channels like I guess I also like Anthony Pompliano. Who else do I like? I think those are my favorite channels. And there's probably more. Ivan on Tech I used to watch back in the day, but he doesn't come out very often, so they don't come into my feed. Hi, just discovered your channel. Love it. I got into crypto in 2021 and it's been crazy. Yes, it has. Tracy, welcome to the Factor fam. Really appreciate you. Everyone say hi to Tracy. No apologies needed. It's your channel. Do your thing. Thank you very much, Bob. I just lost the chat. Where are we? Paul, what's your opinion on Loopring and Immutablex? I think they're great platforms. I think Immutablex is going to do very well. I know they got into partnership with Mintable lately. These are the kind of news you don't really hear, by the way. I think Loopring is good. I used to own it. I got out of it because I thought other cryptocurrencies are going to outperform it. But I think it's got a good foundation. It's going to do very well. Thoughts on Near Protocol, Paul? Well, Jim, Near Protocol has a good foundation. There's a lot of power behind it. I think it's going to do very well as well. I haven't really extensively studied it. I wanted to get into it, but I kind of missed it at the time, and that's why I didn't get into it. But that does not mean I won't. Harry, as we are getting near the end of the bull run, don't you think people should just stick with Bitcoin and Ethereum because things are going to crash soon? Yes, but are we at the end of the bull run? If we're going to, we don't know that. I think we are. We'll see. I would stick to just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but let's confirm it first. Please tell your view on Ethereum. I told you, iPlanet, I love Ethereum. My two favorite coins are Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've got 500 units from United Coin, which is more than $400. Congratulations, man. Thanks for your response, brother. You appreciate. You're very welcome. Bitcoin will hit 29K again, Paul. We'll see. Let's see where it goes. Let's see if 36K holds, which I doubt it. I think we're going to go back to the low 30s. If we break 30, right now I don't know. Right now I can't answer you. I can't even look at the charts because everything's just going crazy right now. I mean, I can't even. It looks weak, but this might just bounce off the 35.6 right here. Right, it might bounce back up from here. I don't know. We have to see. We have to wait a day and do a day or so and see what happens here, basically. Right? Let me just scratch my leg. Please tell your view on Ethereum. Thank you. Are you keep on answering? Don't keep on answering the same question. I already answered you. I already answered you. Why would you ever buy anything with cryptocurrency? Wouldn't you just sell the crypto or flat it out? Yeah, we're just hypothetically speaking, though. Hypothetically speaking. The example I gave Harry was hypothetical to show what, why Bitcoin is king. For example, I have 2 pieces of land in Greece, which I'm selling in Bitcoin, right? Literally, if you give me Bitcoin, I'll sell you my land. Please talk about Ethereum. What's price target for this year despite bull or bear market? Well, Gibran Khan, hey, how you doing? I can't tell you an Ethereum price despite a bull or bear market because if it's bull, it's going to be high. If it's not, it's going to be low, right? If we keep going bull, my prediction is the same as it always was, 7 to 10,000. Is where we're going to reach with Ethereum, $7,000 to $10,000 in this bull market if it continues. Possibly can get above that, it can get to the 14K level, but I don't think so. I'd be selling at the 7 and 10K level, and if it goes beyond, great, awesome, right? If it goes down, I think it's going to probably go to its previous all-time highs. What was it? Was it $1,000? It's quite possibly going to go, it's going to lose like 85% and 90% of its value. So look at the all-time highs and go down. And that, you'll understand where it's probably about $1,000. I think it's somewhere around there. Say thanks to Derek for United Coin Units. I'm so grateful. You're very welcome. Any idea to what certain altcoins may drop in the bear market? All of them will drop in the bear market. Everything will drop in the bear market. They will all go to shit. All these YouTubers telling you, oh, this one go down, this one go down. They will go down. The gaming tokens will go, no, that will go down too. Everything will go to crap down bottom shit. Faster than a hooker in Taiwan. Okay? You have to understand that. Now, there are some tokens that are bear proof in the sense that they will bounce back faster or will have a chance to recover after the bear market compared to others. I made a video on that. All you have to do, by the way, is go to my channel. Let me show you real quick. If you go to my channel, oh, look, we're live right now. If you go to videos, all right, Bitcoin bear market confirmed. Watch this video, first of all. This will tell you exactly what's going on with all levels and everything like that, okay? Then, what did I want to show you? I just forgot what I wanted to show you. What was your question? Any idea certain altcoins may drop in the bear market? Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. So there's a video here. Let me just try and find it for you guys. Where is it? I can't find it. Oh shit. What's going on? Where can I find the video? I made a video about bear market tokens. Give me a second here. Interesting. I can't find. I made a video with tokens that were. the hell just happened here? This is probably the most non-professional live stream I've ever made. Yeah, so somewhere in my, I feel like Tone Vase, where shit's going wrong all the time. And somewhere here, there is a video. Obviously. That... which I can't find. Where the... there you go. Oh, there you go, right here. Top 10 cryptocurrencies to invest in for 2022. And if you go over the title, it should say bear market proof. So this video right here, it was 3 weeks ago. Check out this video right here. Okay, sorry about that. That was so unprofessional. All right. What will be potential catalysts for break bullish again? I don't look at catalysts. Show me the charts. I'll tell you the news. I don't look at catalysts. But okay, theoretically, well, one of the catalysts just passed that was actually pretty okay. It was kind of neutral for Bitcoin. It at least doesn't stop it going up. The Bitcoin ETF, maybe. But you have to understand, if we have strong and good news and Bitcoin doesn't rally, that's a huge sign of a bear market, by the way. Just so you know. So let's see what happens. Are we still in the bull market? No, we're technically in the bear market. Technically. If we break up from 40K, that will be voided. If we stay under 40K, we are in a bear market. I'm in a big loss on Rune and Zilliqa. Should I say for the long term? Okay, I don't think nothing's going. That's a very hard question to answer, J Domino. Right now, it's very hard to ask. I wouldn't sell my Rune right now if I had it. I would keep it because it will probably go up faster than Ethereum, right? So I don't know if I'd sell that. Like, it depends on your play, risk factor, a whole bunch of things. Altcoins generally smaller coins will go up faster in the bull market, but will also go down faster in the bear market. So it really depends. Hey Paul, missed the live show. By the way, Bitcoin goes to 15K in the next 3 years. In the next 2-3 years. We'll see. I don't think it will get to 15K. I think in the bear market it's going to go up to 20K. Are we getting an alt season? We have to let's get out of a bear market first, because we're technically in a bear market. Check out Glimmer Coin on Polkadot. Will do. Not now. Love that you're one of the only ones streaming at this time. Thank you very much, Tracy. Really appreciate you and everyone on this channel. That's why I do it. Bear or bull market? Right now we're technically in the bear market. When should we arrive above 40K to be still in the bull market? By the end of this week. The end of this week, possibly the week after, but I think it has to be. I would have said we already should have passed it, but let's see what happens. End of this week. It's on a Sunday, by the way. It's Bitcoin. Let's see what happens. iPlanet, thanks for coming on Ethereum. I had in mind, if you think already bottomed, if Bitcoin keeps on going down, Ethereum will go down faster. If Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum will go up faster. Bitcoin is showing the direction of the market right now. Can I speak French? No, I cannot. I speak Greek, though. You still holding your last 4 alts purchase you did? No, I sold half of them, and then I rebought them. And because I told you this is a trading 4 altcoins that I bought. So obviously I still have those cryptocurrencies in my holding positions, but that was just a quick trade. Good to see you too, Euro Nation. What do I think about XRP, XLM, and XDC if they will be involved in ISO 200? Okay, I do not know. And I know that's very hard for YouTubers to say, And I know that a lot of people avoid saying that and they come out with shit, but I do not know, and I cannot pretend to know about something when I do not know about something. I'm not that advanced when it comes to this, so I cannot answer. And it is what it is. How often do I shave my head? When I start getting this round thing over here and I start looking 50, my girlfriend, she's 28, she goes nuts. She tells me to go shave, and that's when I shave. Every 2-3 days, but sometimes I forget, and then my girlfriend starts getting mad. Navid Rahan, okay, generally super happy to have found this channel. You're welcome, man. Thank you. Really appreciate you. This year, maybe baby Doge. I wouldn't take that kind of risk, man. BitBoy is one of them who manipulates the market. I don't know if he manipulates the market. It's a big channel. Everyone assumes that. Surely he affects the market. Doesn't mean he manipulates. I think people might be taking advantage of him, though. The companies and sponsors might be taking advantage of his power without him wanting to. But that's not up to BitBoy, is it? Right? Ryan Collins, thank you for introducing me to Solana early. I managed to vent in. Okay, well done. Congratulations, Ryan. It's nice to hear. Ali Sharif, thanks, Paul. I've been waiting patiently to enter the market. Will you release an update on your gaming tokens portfolio if things have changed? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. And that's a very good idea. You might have to remind me, but I'll write it down. Gaming token portfolio. All right. What if we reject 40K this week? Then if we break 36K, we're probably going to go to the low 30s. And if we go down to the low 30s and we don't bounce back fast, then we'll probably break and keep on going with this bear market. We'll see. I find Terra Luna doesn't tank as much. Terra Luna is a good project. Cool, thanks, Paul. It will, by the way, if we're in the bear market. Paul, my gut feeling is to stockpile Crow. Your thoughts? I think CRO is a very good token. That's for people that don't know. That's not Coin Metro, man. Come on, what's wrong with me? Crypto.com. Crypto.com. I think it's a good play. Paul, your thoughts on two gems, Cadena and Oasis Network, Rose. Oasis Network was undervalued. I actually got into it and talked about it a long time ago. I got out because I thought other tokens are going to outperform it. As for Cadena, we were one of the first people telling you about Cadena because I was working at Coin Metro and that's where the staking was. We did the marketing for them. So I knew they were going to do very well. I didn't take advantage of it. I did mention it, but I didn't take advantage of it, as in I didn't buy any. But after that, I left Coin Metro, so I don't know what's doing. I didn't want to look back into it. McDonald's hiring crypto division. Down in the markets, apply now and get a free Happy Meal on us. How can I support United Coin? That's a good question. Let's talk about that on Sunday with Derek, if you're on the live stream. If not, reach out to him. I think it's Derek at unitedcoin.org, or you can reach out to me and I'll get you in touch. Paul, can you make a short video? Oh, by the way, BitBulls, if anybody wants to support BitBulls, that's my project, bitbulls.io. And I'm going to show you this project right now. We are looking for mods. We're looking for volunteers. We're looking for people. We'll give you some free NFTs and everything. But let me show you my project real quick. Is it okay to show my project today? I feel like I never do, and it's a shame. Let me show you my project real quick. I'm not telling you to buy it, by the way, because you can't right now. But let me show you what I'm working on. It's Metaverse Gaming. Give me a second here. All right, so this is the BitBulls YouTube channel right here. And let me show you the trailer so you can see what's up. So that was the BitBulls project. If you guys want to check that out, I suggest you do check it out, by the way. Do me a favor. First of all, if you like that trailer.
Is the bubble about?
Oops. If you like the trailer, if you like the BitBulls, if you like the graphics, if you saw where this project can go, hit that like button for support, man. This is my own project. I'm working with Art and Roll Gaming Studios. I work with them on it. It's all built in-house. Everything is in-house. And I suggest, or I ask you to check out, let me show you right here, the BitBulls channel right here on YouTube. This is the BitBulls channel. We have 87 subscribers. It's ridiculous. Only 87 subscribers. And check out the Discord channel by clicking up here. Telegram, so on. Okay? Check it out, and I'll see you there. All right, where are we? Paul, did you skip my message third time? Do you have any paid group? I do not have a paid group. I do not have any paid group. I will never have a paid group. Ever. Ever. If you are in any of my paid groups, they are scamming you, okay? What is my most optimistic scenario for Bitcoin in the coming years? If we break 40K and 52K after that, and we continue the bull market, I'm seeing Bitcoin at 100 to 140K level. But I'll be taking profits at 84K and 96K. Remember that, write it down, and check it out. What about the coin with high TV total value log? They tend to recover faster. We'll see. In the bear market, my views are the same. Does Bitcoin depend on chart or the news? Very, very good question. Well, the chart analyzes psychology in the market, right? Now, there's something about news. There's news for the masses and news for the classes. What does this mean? Most people don't know the news for the classes because behind closed doors. We only know the news for the masses, so they control us through the news. But in technical analysis, we say, show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. In other words, we look at the charts and try to see where it's going rather than rely on news that they're feeding us. Harry ML, Paul is the best. Thank you very much. Hex is an amazing opportunity. Thanks. Thank you very. Okay, I agree. Maybe. You said that there's a lot of types of bear markets. What types are there? There's okay. When I say there's a lot of different types of bear markets, I mean the timing of a bear market. In other words, a bear market can essentially run from a few weeks to a year or two, maybe more, right? So Alessio Rastani says there's three types of bear markets. That's how he categorizes them. I just say there's one bear market, and how long it lasts, it depends, right? But he says it's a short one to a couple of weeks to maybe a month or two, right? Then there's one from 6 months to a year, and then there's one from a year and more. I just categorize them all as one. But it just, the length, it can be anything, right? So take that for what, that's basically how I see it. It has bottomed and is making a higher low at the moment. Okay. FTM is the highest. FTM does look good. It does, but we know. But let's see what happens if we get in a real bear market and we stay in the bear market. I mean, right? What is a good price to enter in VRA? Consider it a possible bear market. I don't know what VRA is. Do you still think ADA can hit 7 this bull run? $4 to $7. I said $4 to $7. 7 being the top, maybe 10 towards the end. Yes, it can. If we is still in the bull run, yes, we can. If I only had a time machine, yeah, that would be pretty cool. Portfolio revealed. We'll do that soon. In which Bitcoin or Ethereum price would you buy the dip? I already have a lot of Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm not going to buy any dips right now. Hey, Paul, great work as always. Thank you very much. Joao Cagao, great name. By the way, hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button and subscribe down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell notification button. If you have subscribed, please hit the bell notification button and select all. It really helps a lot. I really need your help here. I want to reach more people. I believe, we deserve to get more people in the Factor fam. Because I've been looking at channels out there, and the vast majority, I'm not saying all of them, obviously I watch people too, but the vast majority is complete horse shit. Most people buy their views, right? Buy their comments, you can tell. And it's complete, at least here we're original. So please like the video, please give the like, share this video, and please subscribe and hit all notification buttons so we can get the word out here, right? If you think it's a good channel, if you think you're getting value. If you don't, I understand, no problem. I'm not forcing you to, I'm not begging here. Paul, are we in a bear? Yes, we are technically in a bear market. We are in a technical bear market. I want to encourage my friends into crypto. What if they invest and everything crashes? Yeah, that's just the risk you have to take, man. Tell them to watch the Crypto Factor. That's we'll give calls here. Thanks for your honest opinion. You are one of the worth to hear. Great. Thank you very much, Bartos. I really appreciate you. Fed meeting, any news? Yes, they're not going to raise interest rates until March, and then they're going to start doing it then. Are you still head of marketing at CoinMetro? No, I am not. I am not with CoinMetro. I haven't been with CoinMetro for a long time. Paul, do you think Bitcoin will eventually drop to 19K? Possible. 20K is my lowest in the bear market. When we get into a bear market, when there's a continuation of a bear market, because technically we are in one, then yes, we're going to hit 20K, 20 to 24K. If you follow me on Twitter, my handle is MCPaulD. Just so you know, by the way. So you can follow me on Twitter by going to MCPaulD. The trailer is good. Thank you very much. Oh my God, graphics. Yep, we worked on them a lot. If everything tanks in the bull market, what about metaverse and gaming? They will tank too. We've seen them dip in the latest crash. Do you think they will bounce back? They will bounce back after we get out of the bear market. Yes, especially the top projects. But yes, those will go down too. BitBull's looking great. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. If anybody wants to work with BitBulls, wants to help with BitBulls, reach out to me on our Discord channel, right? Just find our Discord channel. If you can't do that, then reach out to me on Twitter or something, or send me an email. I need volunteers. I want to get people involved, so I can also share some of our success with you, so we can succeed together. Fed news means we are going down for the next few months? No, I don't think so. We'll see. It means that they're not going to play a role in pushing us down further. So if they said if they were going to raise interest rates now, it would have pushed us down. But by them not doing that, it leaves the market alone to let's see what. In my opinion, if that makes sense, it's not pushing us down. It's just kind of leaving us, to see where we go. The sound of, yeah, Harry, it is. We work on that a lot. What is the Fed news? I already answered that. How do you not know VRA? Veracity? I do know Veracity. I'm sorry. I got confused. Of course I know VRA. Veracity. I just don't remember the question now. Oh, Vitaly says VRA's veracity. Yeah, of course. I talked about that token in the past. Should we be grateful for bear markets because everything is on discount? Yes, but bear markets typically last quite a bit. What if we reject 40K this week? Then we're probably going to go down if we keep on going down. We're still in a look. As long as if we do not go above, we're already in a technical bear market. It will be canceled if we go above 40K, right? This week. If we do not go above 40K this week, we're in a bear market. That's pretty much how we look at it. If you had a time machine for the future, what year would I travel to? Travel in the future? I don't know if I'd travel in the future. I could just take my time to get there. What if you travel in the future and you land where there's a nuclear bomb and everything's like nothing there? then you're screwed because your time machine won't work because of radiation or some shit. You know what I mean? That doesn't make sense. I would travel to the past. I would probably travel to the recent past just to see my parents, my sister, to be honest. Do you share any platform? If you asked me like a while ago, then I would have said nothing. I'd be happy to continue my life where I am. Do you share any platform where... sorry. I am getting a bit tired, guys. The trouble with... anyway, I am getting a little bit tired, but I'm going to try and continue a little bit more. Give me a second. Do you share any platform where I can join you? Every YouTuber has a personal group or account. I do not. You can follow me on Twitter, MCPaulD. I don't really have a personal account. I do and I don't. I have them just so that no one else can take them, but I don't usually use them that much. I guess on. I guess Twitter. I think Twitter is the best way to contact me. I actually use Twitter a lot. Maybe I should, I do have a group that I want to run, the Crypto Factor group on Telegram. I haven't done it yet. I'm thinking about it, but not to give calls or get people to pay and all that crap. I don't want people paying. You can join this channel. You can become a member if you want to support the channel. It's actually quite easy. Let me show you. If you go to my channel here, you can join. You can click join here and look, hey, Paul here. And basically there's different joining levels that you get different perks, but that's about it. It's not a paid group. I do give some posts to members and stuff. It's not a, read it, check it out. You can click these different options here. If you want to support the channel, you can do that. But other than that, I have nothing. What do I think about Quant? I think Quant's a good token. I think other tokens are going to do better. So when interest rates hit in March, will it drop? I think there'll be pressure for it to drop, but we'll see. You never know, right? It could do the opposite. But yeah, if it's a high-risk asset, they do get out. Typically, people get out of it, so we should get a drop. I was asking what the best price to get in Veracity. It was back when we talked about it, man. I wouldn't know now. I haven't had a look at it for a while, man. You're welcome, Harry. Can Solana go to $50, $70 if hype of bear market? Yes, it can. Definitely. And lower if it's a bear market. Love that answer. What about Mana, Sand, and Engine? I think they're going to do very well if the bull market continues. If the bull market doesn't continue and we keep going bear, then those are going to go down as well. Right? They'll recover faster than other altcoins once we go bull again, and I don't know when, but that's about it. Oh, they rebranded their site. They redid their site. It's about time. Thoughts on Mana? Love Mana. Love Decentraland. Love Sand. How to promote NFT? Go and get some rest. Oh, yeah, I need some rest, man. Hey, guys, I love you all. Thank you for another... I am getting tired. Guys, to be honest, don't forget I'm taking these pills for cancer, and the truth is I took them a while ago, and they're getting me a little bit tired. So I do need to go, but I do love you all. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't, if you got value from this channel, and I will see you in the video, in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.